In PIM system, categories are an organizational structure that is used to classify and consolidate products. To create a new category, we need to go to the Categories section. Here, we can create categories for different levels, manage the category, bind attributes group, and set options for product models. To create a category, we need to click the button and enter category name. If the category is a first-level category, we don't fill in the parent category. If we want to create a category of the second level, we create a new category, enter the name, and select the parent category for it. Save and see the created category with the level in the general list. If we want to move an already created category, we need to go to its setting and move into the desired category. In the general list of categories, we can see information about the category: ID, name, level, path, data about a category, and information model, status, when it was created and updated. To search for a category, we can use filters and search bar. We can also change the display in the category tree format. In the category settings, we can create and configure the information model, list of attributes for the category, and create and configure variants, list of attributes for groups of product with different characteristics. If we don't need a category temporarily, we can deactivate it. To do this, in the category settings, click on the Deactivate category and confirm the action. Please note that when deactivating a category, the products that belong to it will be hidden from the PIM system. After deactivation, the category will change its status. To activate the category, you should press on the Activate category. If the category is no longer needed, we can delete it. To do this, in the category settings, you should click on the Delete category and confirm the action. Please note that deleting the category will delete all products from the category. If you don't want to delete the category and the products that are located in, you can deactivate it. If a category contains other categories, deleting it is not available. After creating categories and uploading goods, we can see them in the product section. Please note that the correct structure of categories will allow easy management. When creating categories, keep in mind that when broadcasting content channels, each category has its own link, and mass editing of goods and mass IE generation is available only within individual categories. If you haven't found the answer to your question, you can ask it in chat with support or find information in the knowledge base. All information on using the PIM system is presented here, and there is a search for quick access. Categories give the ability to structure your catalog, set up advanced filtering, and manage distribution channels for your content. For each final category, an information model is created that contains attributes to work with product cards. Simply put, a laptop or dress are described differently, using different attributes and dictionary. Choose the right one for your business and improve your processes with PIM. Thank you for watching this video and see you soon!